This video shows how ACDP use ICP read and write CAS ISN method to replace DME, taking replacing MSV80 as example. Step 1. Read the donor DME ISN that needs to be replaced. Note, not the original DME. Connect the MSV80 interface board to the DME. Connect the OBP ICP adapter. Short circuit the CAN resistor on the OBP plus ICP adapter to the CAN join end. Connect to the ACDP host. Powering on the ACDP host. Open ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device is connected. Click BMW. Click DME ISN. Click bench mode read/write DME ISN. Click Siemens/Continental DME. Click X. Click N51 MSV80. Click Red ISN. Confirm that the connection between ACDP and DME normal. Click Continue, reading chip data. Check the chip information readout and click to continue, reading chip data. Long press to copy the ISN. The ISN will be used later. Click OK, read ISN complete. Click OK. Step 2. Read the original CAS data. Start installing CAS 3. Find the location of the interface board positioning hole. Install the support studs. Installing BMW CAS3 interface board. Connect the OBP plus ICP adapter to the BDM01 adapter. Connecting BMW CAS3 interface board. Return to the BMW option. Click CAS1-4. Click CAS3/CAS3 plus. Click ICP mode. Click read/write CAS ISN. Replace DME. Select the corresponding options based on the specific chip model. Click Read CAS EEPROM. Confirm that ACDP is connected to the device normally and click OK. Wait for pin detection to complete. Click OK. Wait for the chip reading to complete. Remember the file name below. Click to save a file. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Click OK. Read data succeeded. Click OK. Step 3. Modify CAS data using the working key. Unplug the OBP plus ICP, connect the BAV key adapter to the ACDP host, and insert the working key. Click Modify ISN, click Replace 32-bit ISN DME. Click OK. Select the EEPROM file you saved. Confirm that the connection between ACDP and BAV adapters is normal. Click OK. Take a screenshot to save the readout key information. Click OK. Click Modify. Click the ISN code and clear it. Paste or enter the read donor DME ISN. Click Modify. Modify data finish. Click OK. Click Save. Remember the file name below. Click to save a file. Pay attention to the path to save the file, and the file name includes the date and time. Go back to the previous step. Step 4. Write the modified CAS data. Unplug the BAV key adapter. Connect the OBP plus ICP. Click Write CAS EEPROM. Confirm that the connection between ACDP and the device is normal. Click OK. Wait for pin detection to complete. Click OK. Click OK. Select the modified EEPROM file. Waiting for chip decryption. Write data succeeded. Click OK. DME replacement completed.
Thanks for watching.